Hi friends, welcome back to channel Tecno. Fine friends, I'm back with a Barion's mobile game 90 FPS drop test in the Realme GT device after the recent Realme UI 3.0 update. Yes friends, just today morning only I did receive the Realme UI early access update in this device. So I'm getting plenty of comments regarding this FPS drop test. Can you please make the Badlands mobile game whether the game supports 4D vibrations or not? How is a 90 FPS gameplay? Is it smooth or not? These are the comments I'm trying to get. But right now I'll try to explain you clearly, friends, in this video. And right now I'm trying to use the Realme gaming triggers as well, which I did receive today itself. These are the Realme gaming triggers which I'm trying to use, and it's a Realme cooling clip as well, which is a Neo, which is really big. I'll try to do the testing, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So right now the game space is completely redefined. Yes friends, it's kind of close to OnePlus game space. You'll be able to see interface and everything, but thank God they did implement the real-time floating FPS meter. So that's fantastic. That's really good. I did use in the OnePlus Nord 2, and finally I was able to use even in this phone as well. That's really good to see this level of integration. That's what I did want, friends, from the beginning. So first let's do the drop test from the boot camp, and then I'll try to do the normal team deathmatch. So let's start with the basic test from the bootcamp only. Let's see. Yes, I did select the Sonic bootcamp. Let's see. Let's start the match. And this is going to be really interesting. And this is my first time doing the FPS drop test after the Realme UI 3.0 update. So this gaming triggers I have been using for the past, I think, 1 hour. It feels really sensitive and it's really good, not bad in terms of the instant reaction. As you can see, friends, clearly not bad. So this is a real-time floating FPS meter which is available right now, so which looks really good. So this kind of real-time floating FPS meter. Let's select the bootcamp as a drop test. Let's see. And you can actually see the CPU and the GPU utilization, how much it is utilized as well. Meanwhile, you can focus in case if you want to. You have that kind of option. Right now, let's do the drop test exactly in the bootcamp. Now you will be able to see what is the FPS drop test because of this live FPS meter which is present, which looks fantastic, friends. I did like this kind of live FPS meter. It's dropping up to 81 FPS as well. Yes, it did drop up to 81, 83, 81, 75 in the Realme GT with the Snapdragon 888 processor. The lowest I've seen so far is a 75. 75 is the lowest value I did see so far. Not bad overall. The FPS, you can see it's maintaining about 90, 89 consistently even right now. Let me slightly increase the volume. You can see the CPU and the GPU utilization, how it's utilizing. So CPU and the GPU utilizing 7%, 7 and 51%. Or friends, the FPS was able to maintain exactly kind of close to 88 toward the time, nothing much major difference. But the drop test did drop up to close to, I think, 70 FPS. We did see the drop up to 70 FPS. Let's do the one more test. One more drop test we'll try to do. And then I'll try to play the normal team deathmatch. This is the second time FPS drop test, friends, which I'm trying to do at this moment. And this is going to be really very interesting to see how well the phone gonna perform at this moment. Second time, and let's do the drop test exactly. So it's dropping up to 81. We did see the 81 FPS as well. So 81 FPS, 75, we did see the lowest, again 75 we are trying to see. 75 and 70. The lowest value is 70 at this moment. Clearly see friends, 70. It did drop up to, not bad. So this is a FPS drop test in the normal classic match. Now let's see the normal team death match, and in this arena what will be happening, the FPS drop test. And the triggers are working perfectly fine without any kind of issue, as you can see. I'll definitely do the separate review on this particular topic, so stay tuned for those videos. So right now let's see friends what will happen with the FPS drop test, how much it can actually. Can actually minimize this kind of FPS count. Now I'm getting 88, not bad, 86. As you can see friends, overall it's maintaining 88, sometimes it's dropping to 77 as well. 82 it dropped. As you can see, it's not maintaining 90 FPS consistently. No, it's not maintaining, I think. You can clearly see friends, sometimes it's dropping. Right now it's 80, 84. 88. Sometimes it definitely dropping little bit frame rates, yes. This is just an LD version only, don't worry about those. So it dropped to 82. So 82, sometimes it's dropping. So let's see what's gonna happen. Usually in the team deathmatch it should not drop much. So 85. As you can see friends, the FPS is dropping, yes. I can see the drop little bit is happening. Expired. 81, yes, 81. So this is a quick review on this one Realme GT device after updating the Realme UI 3.0. I think you got a clear idea what is going on with this frame drop. Sometimes it's dropping. Yes, I can see slightly huge drops in the frames as well. Even in the bootcamp as well, it dropped up to 75, 70. Usually it will drop only up to 85, 83, somewhere around that. And in the team deathmatch also it started to drop. That's it. This is a quick gameplay test, and in case if you are having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do this kind of testings as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.